Want to turn your long videos into money-making shorts with almost no extra effort? Here's how you can make money with Opus key. Let's dive in. The first method is by extract the ad revenue. Let's see how you can do it. First, use Opus Clip to transform your long-form YouTube content into shorts that grab attention fast. For instance, say you have a 15-minute video on digital marketing strategies. Opus Clip can automatically pick the most impactful parts, like a tip that shows how to run profitable Facebook ads. Post these shorts on YouTube. When they take off, they do not only boost shorts views but drive traffic back to your full-length videos. And ultimately, that will increase your ad revenue from both sides. The second method is by pitching for sponsorships. Like, leverage your best performing shorts for brand days. Companies love creators who engage with audiences quickly. For example, if a clip featuring your top productivity tool review goes viral, you can pitch the tool's company for a sponsorship. Brands pay more for proven, engaging short-form content. The third method is maybe the easiest method on the list, and that is affiliate marketing. Let's say your long videos break down 5 must-have tech gadgets. Opus Clip can make engaging shorts for each one, and then simply add your affiliate link in the description of these viral clips. Every time a viewer clicks and buys, you earn a commission. One well-targeted short can pay off big. Here's a final money hack. Experiment with different clip formats. Use Opus Clips to test headlines and styles. The better your shorts perform, the more opportunities you'll have for higher income. So that's it. Hit that like button if this video gives you some ideas, and subscribe for more ways to maximize your content income with smart tools like Opus Clip. See you in the next one.